Ever heard exposed to the right and thought, does that mean I'm supposed to overexposed? You're not alone, and that's not what it means. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire, and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Exposing to the right means this. You push a histogram to the right without clipping highlights to get the cleanest possible raw file. And here's how I think of it. Imagine your histogram as a city skyline. The shadows on the left, they're like little bungalows. The midtones, they're the regular sized office blocks. And the highlights on the right, massive skyscrapers filled with detail. So when you expose a bit brighter, just before blowing out, you're putting more of your image into those massive skyscrapers, which means less noise, smoother gradients, and more editing flexibility. But, and this is the key, it's not about overexposing. It's about controlled brightness, smart, intentional exposure. And if you want to watch the full video to see how I use ETTR in camera and why it still matters in 2025, it's right here and linked down below. And if that helped, give it a like and follow for more 60-second tips. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.